Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I will show you step by step how you can download and install the Disney Plus app on your Mac. So this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do is head over to Safari, and then what you want to do is you want to go over to disneyplus.com. Once we open up Disney Plus, it will look something like this where you can log in or sign up. Now if we want to download this and add this as an app to our Mac, what we need to do is go to File in the top left hand corner, go down and click on Add to Dock, and then once you do this you will then be able to name it and then click on Add. Now once we click on Add, if we close down our Safari, what we can then do is go ahead and open it as we would any other app on our Mac device. So if we go to our search right here and then we search for Disney Plus, as you can see it will now open in its own app window, and here is where you can now log in or sign up for a new account. So it's just that simple guys. That's how you can download and install Disney Plus app on your Mac. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.